Alright, with the recent changes to Canvas, just want to do a couple of quick walkthroughs on how to upload maybe some specific type of media. First, I know a lot of people have been doing video recordings and they'd like to know how to insert their videos. Again, there's going to be a couple of different ways to do that. First, you can actually click Insert and you can go to Media, and when you hover over Media, another little menu is going to pop up, Upload and Record Media. We can click that. And you're going to get the drag file box here. Now, I know some of you may not have dual screen set up and stuff like that. So what do you do here? It's kind of hard to find it and then drag it. Really cool thing is you can just click the box and it's going to bring up your browse menu to find files inside your computer. So again, like the video I made earlier today, I'm going to go to it. It's on my desktop and I put it in this folder right here, CM. And then I'm going to go to New Canvas Format. I'm going to select it. I'm going to open. And it's going to populate right there. It has add closed caption subtitles. I do not know how well that will be. Actually, what you need to do is find a file where you've already done the subtitles, looks like. So again, think about that. Some of the programs that you may be recording with actually have closed caption subtitles. If y'all email me, my name is Kirk Watts. I'll be happy to research on some of those. I know Microsoft Teams, if you're using that recording feature, it already does it. I know I think certain versions of Screencast-O-Matic do and things like that. This is one way to upload a video. You click Submit, and then it goes in. The other way is down here there is a little media icon. It's got the movie play thing. Looks like a small YouTube symbol and a notation for music. If you'll click that, you get the hover menu again, and you can go upload, record video, and it's going to bring you back to the same screen where you can drag and drop, or you can click in and again choose your file that you want to submit. You'll choose it and then click submit and then go in. Apparently it seems to be taking a while. Again, I have slow internet, so please don't close out this page till you see this fully loaded. Make sure you save it once it's fully loaded. And again, this is going to work in any of the text boxes that you have throughout the program. The other thing that you'll see is, again, you can embed. I like using embeds when possible. Again, I'll do another video on those separately coming up. Again, I actually paused my screen, allowed time to come up, and I've since published it and went to Student View real quick. Just going to leave Student View. If you're looking for Student View real quick, anytime you see these little eyeglasses up here in the right, that's going to allow it to be Student View. So you can just see what the students are seeing. When they come in, they should see it, the video here. They can click play. They can scroll through as they need to. They can control the speed. They can go full screen. The only thing it doesn't do that, and again, it may do it on Student View, it doesn't allow them to download. But I'm going to do another, you can do a file upload, hopefully where they can download it if needed, so they can watch it when they can. But again, hopefully this is a little bit helpful with uploading videos. Again, I'm going to look at how to get it where you can do videos for download. Thanks.